first boat of the day. Where are we at?
To Railay Beach.
Railay.
Railay. It's about 9:15 so far. Not too many people. I heard after 10 it gets to be ridiculous. So we'll enjoy a good 45 minutes.
Yep.
Kayaking. It's a little harder than I thought. Are you enjoying the kayaking?
I like it. It's not too bad. Like the water's pretty calm and just having a good time.
Yeah.
The breeze is really nice. The shade's really nice.
My arms are starting to hurt though.
The whitest people out here.
Yeah, we are the whitest people out here.
But so far so good.
Walking around to the other side of the beach, and there's all these little like villas. I don't know if you can see. Imagine staying in one of these. We're already to the other side of the island. How cool. Technically day 3 in KRABI, and we are going on a private boat tour to Hong Island. This was one of the more like pricey things we decided to do, but I think it would be cool to do like some sort of private thing. So it's only for a half day, but I've heard good things about Hong Island, so I'm excited. It is quite cloudy out right now. I'm hoping the sun comes out soon, but last night we had like a huge storm. And so yeah, that was kind of crazy, but yeah, I'm hoping it clears up. It looks like it's gonna clear up, but yeah, we're excited to go on our private tour. Yesterday we just took like a local boat to Railay Beach and walked over to the other side, which is Frowning Beach, I think it's called. And that was really cool. I really liked that beach actually. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did. And it was only like a 5-minute boat ride away. So we might do that one again, just because it was so easy. But yeah, towards like past 10 a.m. like what I said, there gets to be a lot of people. So it's kind of unfortunate, but that's just the reality of Thailand. It's just so touristy.
I'm sorry that I've put you on the back burner.
this is right where we kayaked.
To forget about you, but I guess that's just life.
Now we're gonna go through it on a longtail boat. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Now that I'm out of the metaphorical woods, I'd like to take you on a date. I'll put on a new shirt, shave my face, so it's more kissable, 'cause that's the spark that we need some days.
All right, we're in the Hong Island Lagoon, and it's pretty cool. Really, the boats are quiet, so it's a little more peaceful in here, but it's still kind of sad because there's still like a ton of boats in here. I kind of wish they only allowed like kayaks in or something.
Acts of service, whatever the other four are. Then you get
Lots of stairs.
Yes, we're about to hike up.
We didn't even start.
Yeah, I haven't even started. It already looks beautiful though.
to just kiss, that's okay.
Pretty brutal.
How was your private boat tour?
It was good.
It was nice and relaxing. We did some sunbathing on the front of the boat. Hong Island was really cool. Now we're just going back, admiring the view.
Bay on our Kofifi tour that we booked last night. Maya Bay is famous for the movie, Leonardo DiCaprio movie. I'm not sure what movie, but it's a Leonardo DiCaprio movie. You're not allowed to swim here because there's just so many people. we kind of knew this like coming in that Kofifi is gonna be like the busiest spot. So yeah, we took a speedboat here with like 30 other people, pretty cramped, but to be expected. There's so many people, but I understand why. It's stunning.
There's a lot of people here from Phuket and KRABI. Phuket is about an hour speedboat ride, and yeah, it's pretty nice. There's also reef sharks, so you can't get in the water because of sharks and the reefs that grew back when COVID was the thing. You weren't able to travel.
Yeah.
So now they want to protect it. So.
And I forgot to mention yesterday when we were on our way to Hong Island, I saw a swordfish jump out of the water in the middle of the ocean, and it was really cool.